Welcome to the Floor Space Planner, powered by PowerTrack Visual CPQ. This tool lets you design a custom environment in which to arrange your products. Click the Floor Plan button to begin. The floor plan screen displays an overhead view of the room's walls and connecting points. Click the left mouse button and drag to move the camera. Scroll with your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Click the Wall Height button, then type in the box or click the arrow buttons to change the height of all walls. Click the check mark to commit the change. An error box will pop up if the height is invalid. Click the Wall Height button to close the menu. Click Add Interior Items to add walls and posts to the inside of the room. Enter a width and height in the Interior Walls section. Click the check mark, then click and drag inside the room to create a wall with the width and height you choose. Repeat this process to add rectangular and circular posts. Enter dimensions for one of the post types. Click the check mark, then click inside the room to add the post. Click the Edit Room button to access tools for shaping your room. The Move tool lets you move walls, intersection points, and interior components. Select the Move tool, then click and drag a wall to move it. Connected walls will adjust to the new position. Click and drag a point to move the intersection point between two walls. Click and drag the center point to move any interior component or an end point to adjust the length of the inner walls. The Add tool lets you add points to your outer walls. Select the Add tool, then click on an outer wall to add a new intersection point. Select the Move tool to move the new walls independently. The Delete tool lets you remove intersection points and interior components. Select the Delete tool, then click on an intersection point to delete it. The adjacent walls will connect to fill in the gap. Click an interior component's center point to delete the component. The Modify tool lets you add and subtract rectangular sections. Select the Modify tool, then click inside the room and drag outward. Release the mouse to add a section. Click outside the room and drag inward to subtract a section. Exit the floor plan screen when you are satisfied with your design. The configuration screen provides additional display options and tools for customizing the room. Use your mouse to navigate the scene. Hold the left button and drag to move forward, backward, left and right. Hold the right button and drag to adjust the angle. Hold both buttons and drag to move up and down. Scroll to zoom in and out. Click the Viewing Angle tool to control the camera without a mouse. The center icon indicates the current control mode. Click the Control Mode button to switch between Movement Mode and Rotation Mode. Switch to Movement Mode, then click the arrows to move forward, backward, left and right. Switch to Rotation Mode, then click the arrows to adjust the angle. Click and hold the Zoom buttons to zoom in and out. Click the Center Camera button to snap the camera back to its initial position. Click Top View to view the floor space as a 2D floor plan. Click 3D View to view the floor space as a 3D environment. Toggle Hide Walls to show or hide walls. Turn on Dimensions to display room measurements. Turn on the Grid overlay to place a grid over the room's surfaces. Click the Finishes tool to customize the room's colors and textures. Select finishes for the walls, floor, and ceiling. Close the Finishes window when you are done. Congratulations on completing the PowerTrack Floor Space Planner Guide.